Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk with Lang channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it so now so that you can be a part of this growing family. Officially, we are now 10,477 subscribers. Thank you so much guys. God bless you all. At ang pag-usapan po natin today ay ito po kasi po nagkaroon po ng indignation rally diyan sa Cebu province or Cebu City diyan sa Cebu, no? Kahapon lamang, no? Ay talaga nandiyan po si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. At ang pag-usapan ang titulo po ng ating programa today, idiretso ang boto sa PDP laban para pigilan ang impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte, no? Ayan po, ayan din po naman po sinasabi natin, di po ba? Sabi ganon, vote straight PDP laban to thwart VP Sara's impeachment, FPRRD or former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Former President Rodrigo Duterte emphasized the crucial role of Senate votes in the potential impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte, stressing the need for his candidates to win in the upcoming elections. The PDP Laban official senatorial lineup includes the following. Siyempre, Attorney Jimmy Bondoc na ating ini-endorso din. Senator Bongo, ni-endorso din po natin yan. Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, ini-endorso din po natin yan. Congressman Rodante Marcoleta, ini-endorso din po natin yan. Hindi po natin ini-endorso si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy sa mga maraming kadahilanan, no? Pero naniniwala din naman tayo na may kakayanan naman siya. Kung hindi lang po siya nakakulong today, more or less, susuportahan din natin siya. Kung wala siya mga kaso talaga, susuportahan din natin siya. Pero syempre, kung kayo po personal, kung kayo naniniwala kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, go ahead po. Okay, si Attorney JV Hinlo, hindi ko po lang kasi masyadong kilala si Attorney JV Hinlo, no? Pero attorney naman siya, siguro may kakayanan din po siya, pero hindi po natin siya ini-endorso, okay? Si Attorney Raul Lambino, no? Yan, hindi po rin natin, ini-endorso po natin yan, si Attorney Raul Lambino, okay? Philip Salvador, sa madaming kadahilanan din, hindi rin po natin ini-endorso, no? Si Attorney Vic Rodriguez, ini-endorso po natin, no? During an indignation rally in Mandaue City, Cebu, on Saturday night, Duterte explained the second reason why their votes in the Senate are critical is because they want to remove Inday Saras. It's political. Because if Marcos steps down and he doesn't become a dictator, there needs to be a replacement. Duterte said they have no replacement if their opponent is Inday. Inday can't be defeated if she wins. So they want to cripple her down. That's why there's no chaos. So to ensure Inday's smooth path to the Senate, because the House of Representatives is the prosecutor and the Senate is the judge, they will file the charges and the senators will listen and give their verdict. So Inday needs all of them to win to ensure she won't be at a disadvantage in the Senate. That's why we're asking you, will you make my candidates win? He asked. The crowd responded with a resounding yes. It's no problem if she steps down, but they will replace her. That's their plan. Ito po talaga naman ang plano ng liderato ng mga Romualdez. On Friday, Senate President Francis Escudero rejected Senate Minority Leader Aquilino Pimentel's deterred's request to start Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial as soon as possible. Escudero said he would have to consult with his colleagues in the chamber to see if they would be willing to start the trial. Ewan ko po, ito pong mahirap talaga, di po ba? Mag-i-start na ba sila ng trial, no? Without studying the facts, something like that, no? Hindi rin po natin masasabi. Kaya nga po, napakahirap din po nito. Mas mahalaga po talaga na magkaroon po ng Senate na much friendly kay Vice President Sara Duterte. O sige po, hanggang dito na lang po mga kaibigan ko, ha. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay po kayo.